Hey, Servants Heart. I'm here with Dr. Jay Hart, who's not only one of our elders here at Servants Heart Fellowship, but also is a doctor at urgent care with Duke. And so, Jay, would you share with us a little bit of what your experience has been so far with COVID-19?
Sure. Yeah, I've been with Duke for about 10 years doing urgent care. This season is not the typical season for sure. We have like 10 urgent carers, but come this season, we've had to change things around, change the model. We've created respiratory care centers, which are some of the urgent cares have become respiratory care centers where patients that have possible COVID or COVID-like symptoms will triage patients just to those places, and then we'll have other urgent cares that are going to be non-COVID urgent cares, so for things that are non-respiratory cases. We also do a lot of telemedicine, so patients can call in and they can be seen or video conference or video visit. So if their symptoms are mild, we do drive-up testing where you can get tested as well. So it's a lot of different type of medicine. It's been interesting. It's been challenging. Personally, I'm a little tired of having to gown up a lot and put on face mask and
Likes face masks.
And face mask and shields and gloves and having to come home and shower after immediately after these days, but it's okay. It wasn't as bad initially like we thought, I think, like everyone in the country, but unfortunately it has got a little bit worse, which is a little concerning.
Yeah, and there's so much information out there. Like, you can Google COVID-19 and who knows what kind of answers you're going to get. And that's part of why we're doing this. So would you let our folks know at Servant's Heart why we're putting together a handful of videos to talk even more about COVID-19, which is probably a topic many people are tired of hearing about, but it's important. So why are we doing this?
Sure. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty easy to be fatigued with COVID-19. Personally, I get fatigued with it, and it's easy to stop paying attention. But we need to be educated. We need to understand what's going on, and accurately as best as we can, just so we can protect ourselves and others and serve those around us. The challenge is there are limitations to gaining this knowledge. One of the big limitations are there are just so many sources out there, and it's confusing. So trying to figure out where do you get accurate information. I feel like that's where it's helped me to work for Duke. So I'm at a big medical center that does the work for me. So I'm getting reasonably reliable information that's consolidated, which is helpful. But so I'm the exception. But you're getting so much information that a lot of it's might not be current information. You're getting it if you try to get it from the cable news or internet or, God forbid, Facebook. Some of this is just it's just junk. Not to mention there's, from a science standpoint, there's a lot of junk science out there. So it may look like science, but it's just not reliable science. So and how can the average person tell good science from bad science? So these things are labeled as, this is a trial and it's a good, this shows such and such being proving this, but not all trials are good. Not all studies are good. So unless you really know how to dive deep and actually evaluate a study, you take it at face value, which is not helpful. The other thing is it's a new virus. This isn't like the flu, in the sense that the flu's been around forever. We know the flu. The flu's been studied.
Right.
Lots of evidence on that. But this is new.
Yeah.
So, a lot of people, everyone in the world, smart people are studying it. But information's coming out every day, every week. But there's limitations, and things change as new information comes out. So you have to kind of evolve as new information becomes available.
Right. And it's not going away anytime soon. I mean, we know that this is the the culture that we live in right now. This is our neighborhoods. This is our workplaces. This is our church gathering. This is a reality of what it is right now. So we're hoping these videos are going to be helpful to you. If you ever have any questions, please email this guy. He's going to be looking into that for Servant's Heart Fellowship, kind of our COVID-19 go-to guy. So if you're wondering, if you've read something, if you're curious about it, if you have any questions about why we do what we do here at Servant's Heart, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to answer them. So be looking for a couple of more videos from us, maybe getting some more details about COVID-19. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon.